Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a website link to your YouTube channel or your YouTube page. So it's really simple and easy. First of all, you just have to open your browser like Chrome or something and then just simply search for YouTube. When you are here, you just have to tap on your profile icon in the upper right corner and then simply tap on this your channel. And when you are here on your channel, you just simply have to tap on this customize channel. It will bring you on this page. You can see these options: layout, branding and basic info. You just have to tap on this basic info, and in basic info, if you scroll down a little bit, you can see this option links. So I have already added Instagram and Facebook link here. So if you want to add your website link, you just have to simply tap on this add link, and now as you can see, a new box will appear. You have to give first title here, like you can give title website, and then you have to enter your website link. So you just have to enter your title and your website link, and when you are done, you just have to tap on this publish and your website link is added on your YouTube channel. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.